Selena from Powertrain Products. Today in our shop we have a Jeep 3.8 liter engine. This is going to be for your 2007 to 2011 Jeep Wranglers. It conforms to your typical long block standards in that it's got the block and the heads. However, things get a little different when you get to the timing components. The oil pumps for these units are actually built into the timing cover, and when you install them, that will have to be swapped over from your original. Although we do provide an oil pump kit to aid you in that process. We do want to note that it is very important to torque these units correctly when you do the install. If you do not, it'll result in a cracked timing cover. Although, as a side note, we do have a warranty that could protect you if that did happen. These engines are topped off with a multi-layer steel head gasket to help them endure the high temperatures they're prone to, and then we sim test them after we make all the upgrades. We then back them with our Powertrain promise and ship them to you. If you want to talk with us about some pricing, our number is 888-842-0023, or you can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net.